Hi, sophomores and juniors. It's Miss Coots. I am here today to show you what you need to do to update your Matchmaker inside Career Cruising for your individual plan of study that we will be using as we talk to our parents and guardians for your parent-teacher conferences. The individual plan of study is something that you've been working on since you were in high school. It is something that you work on beyond high school as well, but the purpose of it is so that you have an idea of what you want to do when you graduate from Southeast High School and what you want to do for the rest of your life. It is a plan, it's a progress. It's not something that you have to do right away, saying that this is what you are going to do until you're 55 years old. But what it does is it gives you an idea and a plan in motion to get you to going where you need to be for outside of high school. Most of you have done the Matchmaker inventory, or you should have done it, but the point of this is so that you can update it if you need to, so you can see if your ideas have changed, if your interests have changed, if careers that you're interested in have changed, and so on and so forth. So what I need you to do is you need to log in to Career Cruising, careercruising.com. Your username and password is the exact same as your PowerSchool username and password. Your username just has the 247 dash in front of it. Your password is exactly the same as PowerSchool. You're going to log in. You're going to click on Assessments at the very top. Then you're going to look at the Matchmaker and Skills. You should already have done the Matchmaker. It tells you your best match mine was on October 3rd, so it's going to be your latest one that you did. And I'm going to view all my matches. Whenever you get to this point, you may have a list of 2 or 3 here that you have completed. Now, when you look at this, you're going to see that you have some selections. If you want to update your results or answer more questions, you can do that here. So answering more questions are just going to give you some ideas of what, if anything, has changed. You can review your answers. If you're happy with the selections that they have already given you, you can use those. So what you're going to do is you're going to choose 1 to 2 careers that are interesting to you. You're going to look more into those careers to find out what kind of training or college or certifications that you may need outside of high school. So if you're interested in the military, that's just going to be something that you select, and I'm going to show you how to do that. What you need to make sure to do is that if you click on one of these that are interesting to you, you need to save that to your plan. You need to have at least 1 to 2 careers saved to your plan. Once I've saved this one, I can either go back to Matchmaker and select one of those, or if there's something that's not on here that you are definitely interested in, you can always type it in the search bar. So if I was interested in nursing, I could type in nursing. It has a selection for that. I'm going to save that to my plan. If you want to know if the military is on here, it sure does list that. So I'm going to look at this. If this is one of the things that I am interested in, I'm going to save that to my plan. When you go to your plan, all those careers are listed in the educational and the careers part, and then you can look and see what kind of training you need to see what kind of education you need, what kind of money you will make, so on and so forth. So today, what I need you to do is I need you to log into Career Cruising, click on the assessments, click on your view all matches underneath Matchmaker. You're going to select the latest one that you've done, and you're going to see if these careers are what you want. If not, you can update your results by answering more questions or reviewing your answers. You're going to use that information to fill in the worksheet that you're going to use to talk to your parents or your guardians at parent-teacher conferences. We're going to do more with assessments here in a week or so to do more about your learning styles. You don't have to do that today, but those are the things that I need you to do, is to make sure that you update your Matchmaker. If you have any questions, you can ask your mentor or you can ask me. Thank you and good luck.